So there have been a lot of like films and a lot of talk about, a lot of videos about like know this on flat earth, know that on flat earth. So it's time we look into something which is not really there on flat earth, actually something which is not really there. So in the last film we proved that the forests are there on flat earth, but there is one thing which is not there on flat earth, and that thing is children. There are no children on flat earth.
No children in China.
But so people will be very surprised because they think like there are so many children. I mean, the world has such a huge population, and you can go anywhere and you see children all around, and like people are having babies all the time. So, and so then people will think that there is no dearth of children on flat earth. So for that we'll have to first define what a child is. What is a child? Now, child is different from a baby or an infant or a kid or a brat. A child is one who, as soon as it gets into consciousness, asks, who am I? What am I? Where am I? These things it asks immediately. These are its questions. And that's what it ponders on. That is a real child. That's real innocence. That's real Ganesh Tattva. That is real child. And if we go by this definition, we won't find many children on this earth. Okay, so that's what the thing is. So like what people like these days, like kids at even age of 4 or 5, they're already like in me, mine approach. Oh, this is my father, this is my mother. They're already trying to get attention for themselves at that age. So, I mean, a child can never do that. A child is already just asking questions about its existence, about its beingness. It's busy with that. It has no time for doing this me, my thing, or like trying to get attention for itself and things like that. But I mean, so even if you go around anywhere like these days, in any country, anywhere, any place, you find that even 4, 5-year-olds, 6-year-olds are all like not children.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yeah.
It's hard to find a child on this earth. Yeah. And that's where the problem starts. Like, if you're not a child, then you're a kid brat. That's why English has 2 words. Child is different and kid is different.
Kid is different, yeah.
And a brat, like kid is connected to more brattiness, that I want this, I want that. I mean, people like kids these days at the age of 5 or 6 even, they already know what society is, what its things are, how to manipulate it, how to manipulate their parents, how to manipulate that thing, extract this, extract that. All of this kind of thing starts so early, So this is nothing to do with being a child. And only when you're a child, from that spirit of inquiry begins about who am I, where am I. That's where the whole thing which I've touched upon in my previous talks starts, like that. You are a being and you are inside this big multiverse, omniverse. You are inside this thing. That perspective, that consciousness arises inside you only after you have been a child first. So that's one thing which is totally missing on this earth right now, is children. There are no children. There are kids, there are brats, there are infants, but they're no children. Just because something is born and is a infant doesn't mean that it will turn into a child. Yeah. So that's one thing which is definitely totally missing. And without that childlikeness, anything else you do is always going to be wrong. Any actions you do afterwards, because you will not try and find that out. What is your beingness, where you are, what you have to do, you will not find that out, and you will do wrong actions. You can't do right actions without that thing. And all your actions will be governed by society and whatever, and this or that, like trying to get attention and all of those things, which is of no use. That can only lead to more hell for you and everybody else. So like a lot of people who are trying to go into all kinds of sciences, learn this, like trying to raise Kundalini or open the third eye or learn Jyotish or do this or do that. You can't really do any of that until you have a basis. And the basis is being a child. Like now one has to, like if one could not be a child at age of 4 or 5, then one has to become like that at any age one is at. Whether one is at 30, one is 40, one is 50, one is 60. One has to become that in order to start one's progress.
Beautiful.
Yeah, like, and one's evolution. And that's the Sri Ganesh. That's the real Sri Ganesh of anything. That's where the Ganesh comes into play. Like when you do that first. That's why Ganesh is first. It's not just because you just do some Ganesh mantra before any puja or anything. That's not what it is about. It's about being a child first. And if you don't have that, if you don't have the spirit of inquiry, you can't ever get anything else right after that. That means your base, your foundation is wrong. You have no basis and foundation. So then after that everything goes wrong. So when people look at this earth, there's one thing only which is missing on this earth, and that is children. That is child, you'd say. Because a child can be taught. A child can actually be taught the knowledge of this multiverse, what the laws are, rules are. But if you're not like a child, you can't be taught. You'll always misinterpret everything. Something is told to you, your brain will run in 100 directions. You got no that thing, you not got calm, you got no center, you got nothing. You got no basis for understanding anything. That childlikeness is the only thing which can actually learn. Once you are childlike in that way, learning is an automatic process. Real learning. Yeah. Really learning things which are practical, which you can actually do to evolve yourself. Like practical things. Yeah. Not just like theoretical things or nonsense or like what all people learn in this world. They learn all kinds of lies and all kinds of nonsense and all kinds of misinformation and all kinds of nonsense people learn in this world, and which doesn't really help them in any which way. People are trying to learn Jyotish and stuff like that, even and trying to apply for that, and nothing happens. They all just get confused. Everybody is totally confused because you have no basis in the first place, which can lead to confusion and more confusion and more confusion. So that state one has to strive for first. One has to get to that basic awe and wonder, and that thing, where am I, who am I, what am I? All that has to come first. Like without that, if you start without that, you just are not going to go anywhere. So that's a fact. Just like you can't build a building without foundation, it'll just crumble. So that's what happens. So people have to realize that this childlikeness is what they should be going for before they do anything else. Otherwise, rest will all be a waste of time, energy, and effort. Innocence is not exactly not knowing. Like people have to think that somebody is innocent just because they don't know something. That's not what innocence is. Innocence is actually asking this childlike question, that who am I, what am I, and having actual wonder and awe about that. Actual wonder about that, which will strive you to have a spirit of inquiry, and you will be open to learning. There are a lot of people who don't know, okay, but they do not want to know either. So that's not innocence.
That's true.
That's ignorance. There's a difference between innocence and ignorance. And ignorance can carry on and on forward. Like just because somebody is ignorant right now doesn't mean that like 5 years later they'll be a learned person. Or they'll learn something. They might stay ignorant 5 years later too. They'll be ignorant 10 years later as well. So no matter, like, yeah, I mean, by reading books, nothing is going to happen by reading books. For a person who doesn't have the basis, like who am I, what am I, where am I, all that thing is not there, then no book or any that thing can do you any good to you. Like, you'll not be able to utilize it. There'll be no practical application in your life. You'll read one and you'll read another, then you'll be confused. Yeah, this one says that one says this. What am I supposed to do? Like, yeah. If you don't have that basis, innocence is not ignorance. Like, I mean, yeah, I mean, this world is full of ignorant people, but this world is not full of innocent people. Nobody is innocent. Like, do you know what I'm saying? Anybody who doesn't know anything and doesn't want to learn is not innocent. They are guilty. Well, you're the most guilty person if you are, by multiverse laws, if you are ignorant and still don't want to learn. I mean, that by multiverse law is guilty. More guilty than anything else can be, you know. Yeah. And if you are ignorant, then you can't really praise higher and divine, because you only know what higher and divine is, what its qualities are. You can't do any of that. So if you stay ignorant, and everybody stays ignorant by choice, it's a choice to stay ignorant, and nothing innocent can stay ignorant.